Hello friends, are you jealous to see others' success? Are you jealous to see others' success? Then if you're jealous to see others' success, then don't be jealous because this is very bad habit and it's a kind of negativity. And if others are jealous to see your success, then let them feel jealous about you. Because I found many people who are jealous about me and but I don't care about them. I'm trying my best uh, to get success, whatever desires I have. I'm trying my best to do that. So this is Momita and you are watching Moki Life with Smile. So a very good evening to all of you. As usual, I came up with two new English words as I am an English learner. So I hope you all are doing great and I'm also good too. So let's back to the point. So today I have learned two adjectives. uh, Both are adjectives. So the first one which I have learned, that is chaotic. 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 The spelling is chaotic. Chaotic. It means like bisrinkhal. Its simply meaning, Bengali meaning is bisrinkhal. Its English meaning is in a stage of complete confusion or disorder. In a stage of complete confusion or disorder. So it's simply Bengali meaning is bisrinkhala or bibranto. So now it's time to make a small sentence or a simple sentence like the country has become chaotic due to corruption. The country has become chaotic due to corruption. দেশটি বিশৃঙ্খলায় পূর্ণ হয়ে গেছে দুর্নীতির কারণে। দেশটি বিশৃঙ্খলাপূর্ণ হয়ে গেছে বা বিশৃঙ্খলাপূর্ণ হয়ে গেছে দুর্নীতির কারণে। So this was the first one which I have learned today, that is chaotic, and it is an adjective. So the second one is timid. This is very simple word, timid. 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 Timid is also an adjective. It means like showing a lack of courage or confidence. Showing a lack of courage or confidence. So it's simply Bengali meaning is like bhitu or biru, and you can say like সাহসের অভাব or like easily frightened, like সহজেই ভয় পেয়ে যাওয়া বা ভয় পেয়ে যায়. So now it's time to make a simple sentence with this timid, with this adjective. So I was too timid to ask questions to my teacher. I was too timid to ask questions to my teacher. আমি খুবই ভীতু ছিলাম আমার শিক্ষককে প্রশ্ন জিজ্ঞাসা করতে। আমি খুবই ভীতু বা আমি খুব খুব ভয় পাই বা আমি খুব ভীতু আমার টিচারকে বা আমার শিক্ষককে প্রশ্ন জিজ্ঞাসা করতে। So this is all for today's video. I have already shared with you two new English words. If you have any inquiries regarding my videos or my vocabularies or my English words, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try my best to reply you, and I'm sharing vocabularies nowadays or new English words. Those are very basic. So if you are watching from YouTube, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you are watching from Facebook, then please follow me and don't forget to like, comment and share. My YouTube channel name is Moki Life with Smile. My YouTube channel name is Moki Life with Smile. So bye for now. This is all for today's video. See you in the next video. And one more thing, whatever I'm sharing with you, I will write them down in the description box. like whatever vocabularies or words I'm sharing with you, I will write them down in the description box. If you want, you can check them out from there, or you can easily get those words in the from the description box. So bye for now, take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.